Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now, wash your hands and set up clean pump parts in storage containers. Once done, assemble the pump and prime with a quick test suction to ensure seals. Express directly into a sanitized bottle or bag, keeping skin contact minimal. If you get a lot, pour into smaller containers to cool faster. Make sure to label each container with date and time at collection. You're initiating the safe chain that prevents contamination and preserves nutrients from the first drop. Once milk is expressed, cool it promptly to protect antibodies and fat content. Place the filled containers in an ice bath or the refrigerator within 90 minutes. You then portion into 2 to 4 ounce servings so you only thaw what you need, which reduces waste. Make sure to place containers at the back of the fridge or freezer where temperature is most stable. Label each with date. This preserves quality and makes daily feeding predictable, so you can grab a pre-measured portion with confidence. To finish, thaw frozen milk safely by moving it to the refrigerator overnight or placing the sealed container under warm running water. Avoid microwaves because hot spots destroy nutrients. Once thawed, gently swirl to recombine separated fat. Do not shake vigorously, and test a few drops on your wrist to confirm comfortable warmth. If the milk has an off smell, unusual color, or your baby rejects it, discard it and clean the pump thoroughly. Make sure storage bags weren't punctured. That troubleshooting step prevents.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.